Hi, Billy Mays here for OxiClean, the shit stain specialist. Powered by shit you breathe, activated by the Billy Mays urine you and I drink. It's Mother Nature approved, then it's safe on your colored shit. Use it on carpets. OxiClean seeks out organic cat urine stains, pet stains, food stains that get down into the matting, into the padding. It even takes red wine and Billy Mays urine. Use out of white carpeting. It cleans, it brightens, and eliminates shit all at the same time. Don't just get it clean. Get it OxiClean. Make up shit, make it 10 times as powerful. The longer you let it set, the easier it is. It'll whiten your grout and get rid of your toughest shit. Sometimes soaking is the solution. If you use bleach, you ruin your shit. OxiClean won't hurt the material, even lace. It has the power of bleach without the damaging side effects of chlorine. Billy Mays urine. When your laundry detergent just isn't enough, supercharge it with Billy Mays urine. One scoop in every load of laundry, it'll make your shit whiter. It'll make your shit brighter. As a stain remover, it's the best. Grass stains, clay stains, Billy Mays shit stains. Long live your laundry. OxiClean, the shit stain specialist.